Hi, welcome back to MathsMode. I would like to go through a GCSE past paper question with you. This past paper is from November 2018. It's a higher tier, paper 1, so non-calculator. We're going to go through question 3. I've already gone through questions 2 and 1 in a different video. Please go and check that out. So for question 3, a bonus of 2,100 is shared by 10 people who work for a company. So 40% of the bonus is shared equally between the 3 managers. The rest of the bonus is shared equally between the salesmen. One of the salesmen says, if the bonus is shared equally between all 10 people, I will get 25% more money. Is the salesman correct? You must show how you would get your answer. So first things first, let's calculate how much the managers would get. So the 3 managers, spelling managers wrong now, which is 40 over 100 times it by 2,100. So I would normally cancel the zeros out. So you have 40 over 1 times it by 21. So 40 times 21, which is 840 pounds. Next step, how much would the rest of the 7 salesmen get? So the 7 salesmen would get what's left over, so 2,100 minus 840, which is 1,260. So divide the 1,260 by 7, and you would get 180. Okay, so now we know the main numbers. We know that, let's erase all this. We know that the managers get 840, the salesmen get 180. Let's write managers, salesmen. So if the 2,100 was divided equally by the 10 workers, it would be 210. So now we want to know, is 210 25% more than 180? So we would do 210 minus 180 divided by 180, which equals 16.67%. Therefore, the answer is wrong. The salesman is incorrect. Now I want to show you how much it would actually be if the salesman got 25% more. So we want 180 times it by 25%, which equals 180 times 25 over 100, which if we cancel out, and then we can cancel this out as well, equals 45. So 180 plus 45 equals 225. Thank you for watching.